So you know the first part. Open, open. Alright. I like open A, you're playing it up here, that's fine. And then open D, open E. And then we do this part, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want to go on the D string, third dot, one below, middle there, and there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the hard part, we're going to go on the E string, 2, open, 2, and then open D, do that again, 2, open, 2, open D, and then you go open A, all on the E string, 4, 2, open, 2, 4, so that's the little pre-part. A, 4, 2, open, 2, 4, and here comes the riff. This is the riff. Oh wait, no. Before the riff, you go 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Whoa! So you go that whole section. A, 4, 2, open, 2, 4, 2, open. I mean, get my tongue checked here. So 2. And count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then open A, 4, 2, open, 2, 4, and here's the riff on the E string. 2, open, 2, 2, 4, open A, 4, 2, open E, 2, 4. Okay. And then open D, open E. That's it. One more time. 2, open, 2, 2, 4, open, 4, 2, open, 4, 2, 4, 2, open, 2, open D, open E, and then you're back to it. Crazy. Happy Disco Sabbath.